For every time you envision your dream home, in the middle of uncertainty, or maybe too many options, or even when the light goes off and you are alone in your thoughts, your heart sure knows what you want, and at the peak of that desire lies the perfect option for you. Welcome to the breathtaking beauty of Arizon Estate, where your dream of owning a perfect home comes true. Imagine waking up to breathtaking sunshine and unwinding to awe-inspiring sunset. With Arizon Estate, you can indulge in the natural beauty that surrounds you, creating lifelong memories in your own private oasis. Here, we understand that your home is not just a place, but an expression of who you are. That is why we have found an exceptional property for you to design to meet your desires and needs. Everything you need to live, play, relax, work, learn, excel, and grow with your family is right here at Arizon Estate. Arizon Estate is located in one of Lagos' growing and finest community, the Eleko community, right in the Lagos State Government Idera scheme, Ibejulekki. I'm currently standing on the Lekki-Ekpe Expressway, and to my left is the entrance of Arizon Estate, which is just right beside the Pan-Atlantic University, and adjacent it is Eleganza Industries, and it also shares proximity with the recently launched Dangote Refinery, the Lekki Free Trade Zone, Lekki Deep Sea Port, Lekki International Airport, and so much more. Now selling at Arizon Estate is the 500 square meter at a pre-launch price of 25 million naira
and 300 square meter at 15 million naira.
And you can get started with an initial deposit of 2 million naira and spread balance for up to 18 months. It's time for you to feel the joy of living in Arizona. Make that call, send that message to start your journey.